Hey guys, today I'm going to enjoy my day off and take care of the tiller Tamer. As you can see, I have already put the traveler from there to the new holes that we drilled last week, and now I'm going to see if I can use these same holes for the tiller Tamer line. I could put it there, but I think it would be better if both of them were in the same place. So let's try this. First I need to feed this through this hole, and because it's quite tight, I just tied a bit of braid there. Let's see if we can do this. Okay, that worked. Just a figure of 8 knot there. Now let's feed it through there. I put this fair lead here just with a clamp, so I can see if the distance or the angle can be compensated by this piece of bungee that I've just tied. Okay, so now just the carabiner there. It's just an aluminium carabiner, so it's not even that strong. And now I could put this going round this piece of wood here, but since I've got this pin for the rudder, I'm going to use that instead. And coming to that cleat there. I think this bungee is a bit too big. Okay, I've retied that to make it slightly shorter. You can see here it's working and compensating for the different angles. It's easier to turn. Look here, it's actually almost slack here. Still some pressure here. Fully slackened here. And if you want it off, I don't consider this bungee to be mandatory. Actually, I don't have this bungee on the Goat Island skiff. I didn't put that. I just put a straight line all the way from the carabiner to the cleat. And the hook. And as I pull this string tight, the tighter I pull it, the more friction it creates on this eye bolt. That's because the only range you really want to use this is somewhere between here and here, and because that's a slight angle for lee helm or weather helm, you don't need this to absorb anything in this small range. A simple line will do. but it's good to have the option. I think that's how it's going to be. Now I just need to fix that in place. Okay, so I'm a bit of an idiot. I drilled it on the top. Of course I don't want that on the top. I only put it there so you could see it better in the video. I want it working on the underside of the tiller. Oh well, nothing that a bit of epoxy can't fix. I think I'm gonna run this under the tiller as well. Yeah, that works. And guys, if you don't want to go through the trouble of tying a piece of bungee like I did, like this, you can just use a loop of bungee cord, slightly thinner, or well, actually a lot thinner, and that will work just the same. Put in there in the carabiner, tied to the small line, and that will do exactly the same. And it's actually easier to make and easier to replace. So there you go, another option for you guys. I guess that's the tiller tamer done. See you soon, guys.